Okay, I'm going to go over some tools. In top we have the main part of the engine. We have the clutch bell and all the parts with it. We have the piston sleeve and spare. This is the one-way bearing, keep it protected. This is the flywheel. This is the back plate. Gasket. This is the collet, shim, the collet, and all the parts go to it. All hardware, screws. Here is the screws for the muffler, carb. Here's the engine bolts and back plate bolts. Here is the crankshaft. So I will show you what it looks like. That's that. We have the carburetor right here and a protected bag. Got some glow plugs in here. We got extra spur gear up here. Pliers, screwdriver, linkage rod for carburetor, socket extender for put the sockets on with by hand. We have the Loctite to put the bolts in with. We have these different sockets and extension for that. All the extension we have right here. We have all the screwdrivers I need. We have all my air filters ready to go. More pair of pliers, different different wrenches. We have a glow plug wrench, which I should put in here, but I don't really want to fit, so I keep it all separate. I have a little glow plug wrench, and all my Allen keys, air filter foam, extra fuel line, batteries, to spare parts, glow igniter, sockets. Saran, and it's not what you think it's for. It is for putting oil back in the shocks so I don't make a mess everywhere, and if I have to, use it to drain the fuel out of the truck. Got all the spare parts here that might be still good. I have the starter wand here from Traxxas, which kind of is not the greatest because the glow part down here, the glow part does not work on it. We have all the chargers. In this little area we have the muffler pipe and the start part, and just the little odds and ends stuff down there, and the starter and the engine block and all the accessories in here.